Smiley is using a brace to support a tabletop. If triangle BCE is congruent to DFG, if angle CEB is 50 degrees, so go ahead and write that in your book right now. Where is angle CEB? CEB. Where would that be at? Right at angle E. So this is 50 degrees. We need to figure out what is the measure of angle FGD. So where is that angle at? Angle G, right? So what relationship do these two angles have? They are corresponding because what transformation would allow you to do that? Reflection, right? So if I reflected it right there, they would match up perfectly, right? So then what is the measure of it? 50 degrees. Okay? Now you can't always assume that the question that they asked is going to be equal, so you just write down the number that they give you. What if, and if I change this, what if I ask you for the measure of angle GDF? So this guy. Haven't decided, probably not. Angle GDF. How would I do that? Sarah? What's a straight line?
So, what did we do?
Angle D is not a straight line. Because this is the angle.
Which way?
What does this make? A triangle. What do we know about triangles?
They equal 180 degrees.
Their angles equal 180 degrees, right? Okay, so do we know the measure of this angle? It's 50 because it's corresponding, right? Okay, hold on. It's 50, right? What's the measure of this angle?
90 degrees.
What's the measure of this angle?
40 degrees.
How'd you get 40?
Because you
Because you have to add 50 plus 90, that would equal 140. So you just 180 minus 140.
So all three of these angles equal 180, correct? So then 90 plus 50 is 140 plus x. Then you would subtract 140. So x would equal 40 degrees. So even if they're not corresponding in the triangles, you can still find them, right? You just have to do a little more work for it. Questions on that? Okay, so pay attention to what angle they're asking you to find. In C, the side length CE is 2 feet. Find the length of FG.
So when you looked at
2
this,
feet.
you had
Because this side corresponds to this side, that means they are the same. Questions? Okay. Do 1 and 2 on that same page. Stand when you're done.
Okay, is that easy to count?
Information that you did, Anthony. You what? You mirrored it. What is that one called?
All right, number 7. What
Reflection. Good. So if you reflect it, does S move?
That A was
Does S move? No. So this would be S still. Why isn't this working? There we go. That would be S still. R would be over here, and T would be right here, right? Then what would you have to do to get it from there to there? Translate it what? Up and to the left. Questions on that? Okay, so then TR would match up with which side? WU. RS would match up with UV. TS would match up with WV. Questions on those? Now it's easy to see those sides because those triangles, all the sides are different. But especially when you get to like rectangles and parallelograms and those types of things, you need to draw this in so that you can see the match easily. Okay? Angle T matches up with what? W. Oops, I forgot to congruent. Angle R matches up with U. And angle S matches up with B. Questions on that?
You rotated 90
Cole, got a question on that?
Nope.
Okay, stay with me.
About the
All right,
board.
number 2, in the table in example 3, suppose BE is 18 inches. So up here, suppose that this is 18. You have to find that one. What is it? 18. Because they are what? They are congruent, but they are corresponding, and corresponding means
Come over here. Okay, and then.
matching. Corresponding means matching.
Up.
Congruent means
At.
same. Corresponding means matching. Congruent means
Same.